Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we have a special vehicle to go over. It is a 1960 Corvette, fully restored, 100% matching numbers, 283, 3-speed, and again matching numbers. Interior, again, as I mentioned, fully restored, so in great condition. But what is unique about this vehicle, as you might have saw when I looked in between the seats, this has a power roof, and it actually does work. In the pictures we have on our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, you will see the black soft top up. That is what comes out of here. Again, power top. We do have a white hard top, and what I mentioned, this is unique vehicle. It is one of 56 vehicles that are built with the red color along with the white top, the power top, and also power windows, as you'll see the power windows here. So again, one of 56 with power windows, power top, and the white top. The white top matches, obviously the white inlet looks beautiful when it is on the vehicle. You can see the paint is flawless. Engine compartment, period correct, OE, as it just came off production line in 1960. Again, we'll go ahead and do a cold start, show you the underneath so you know it's a cold start. Go ahead and get in it. And again, here we go. As you can see, 3-speed, all the gauges. Again, interior looks great. We'll go ahead and start this up, make sure we're in neutral. As you can hear, it starts right up. Look at it. Go ahead and get out. Again, if you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call at 941-355-1955. We have additional information and pictures on our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Again, the 1960 exhaust coming right out of the bumper. Again, dual exhaust. Again, car is in fantastic shape, fully restored. No hearing ticking, no knocking. I wish gas was still at 36 cents. Perhaps back in 1960 it was. Go ahead and shut it off, and we'll raise the lift and look underneath. As you can hear, the doors shut nicely. Again, very well restored. 1960 Corvette with 283. As I mentioned, one of 56 with the white top, hard top, power windows, and power top as well, power black soft top. And again, if you're interested in the vehicle, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or check our website out at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Again, we'll have more pictures online at our website. You'll be able to see the hard top along with the soft top up. As we're going going up, you can see some of the other cars we have in inventory. Currently we're sitting on about 86, 87 total cars. But this is just a beautiful, restored 1960 Corvette. We'll go underneath it, and again, look. Again, just as it would have come off the production line in 1960, very clean, period correct, matching numbers, fully restored. You see the satin black as it would have been back in 1960. No rust, no corrosion. See new exhaust, new mufflers. Again, everything is period correct on this vehicle. One of the finest examples of a 1960 you will see on the market today, for sure. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call or check our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. And again, you can see the paint is in great shape. Big white wall tires. Take you around and see the other side. Again, the paint shines. You can see the reflection of the signs on the wall. No scrapes, no dings. No dull spots, everything shines. This car is show ready and will win awards at any show you go to. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, which is a quick peek of some other vehicles we have in inventory. See the several C2s. We do have 73 Corvette here, 69 Chevelle, a couple of Camaros, Z28s in the back. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call on this 1960 Corvette. Thank you.